Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we need a palette. I am using a container, again dark green color, white color, Persian blue color, a brush and water. So let's get started. First we'll take one part of dark green color and half part of Persian blue color, and mix all the colors. Now we'll take 2 parts of white color and then just mix the color, all the colors. And here is our peacock green color ready. So let me show you by applying it on the paper. So as you can see, the peacock green color. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you like watching the color mixing videos like this, wait till the end screen comes and click on that playlist named color so that you can watch all the color mixing videos I have made on my channel. And by clicking on that I button, you can also watch the color mixing series right now. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.